Hey everybody, Mobile Gamers Unite. So today we are talking about Crosscode, and I'm just kind of showing you guys some of the gameplay on this from the demo of it. I do plan to pick this game up myself, but I just kind of wanted to bring some attention to it because I think a lot of people have never really heard too much about this game. So it's an RPG. You run around. It's pretty cool. But unlike an RPG, this game has the way that you attack things is you pretty much throw these little laser disc golf ball things. But the physics is what's really cool about this game. Yeah, you can dodge. You can attack. Boom. So even for like an RPG, it's some fast-paced combat, and that is just the tip of the iceberg right there. They only gave you one of the little attacks. You can change your attacks. You have like an aerial attack, like I was talking about, the little disc balls, and they actually bounce off of walls, and you can charge that up. Some cool Mega Man stuff, although you cannot swim. Regardless, there's a lot of gameplay to it. There's a great story from my understanding of it, and I am definitely going to be playing this game and checking it out. Like, look, I just changed to a fire element, and these are just the hand-to-hand combat system, pretty much. I wonder if I can... No, they don't let you charge your attack up yet. And then there's also dodge to go along with that, because you can dodge your enemy's attacks. You also get a shield to hold over yourself for things that you can't dodge. She becomes very quick, very nimble. She does jump up on stuff. And the puzzles in this game are amazing, just because of the physics in the game. The way that everything bounces, and it's kind of like... It's almost like a little pool game built in, because you're always trying to bank shots and hit these little target boxes to open doors, things of that nature, or you're just fighting some boss that's fast-paced. There's stuff to break, there's treasure chests to find. There's actually a very interesting story in this game. All I can tell you is you start on a cruise ship. You're pretty much in a Matrix right now. And this is just the very intro of the game. We're just gonna play through it real quick. Okay. So then I can charge up, and boom! I can do attacks like that. I mean, that is pretty freaking wicked when you add it all up together to everything this little character can do. She does a lot more than Ash Ketchum, that's for sure. Okay? That's just one of the moves that you get later on. I can't even show you the ballistics here and how everything works, how things bounce off of walls. And the enemies, there are a lot of great boss fights. And this will give you a small example of, I mean, it is an RPG, so it tells a really in-depth story. Like right off the bat, her brother's working on something. This computer was trying to keep you out so you didn't talk to him. And there's some kind of like mafioso deal going on that your brother's stuck in or whatever, and he's trying to keep you out of it. You're pretty much in the Matrix talking to him right now, and she's complaining that he needs to stop working because he's like, this guy's on his deathbed in real life, so he's going to die any minute. And she's pretty much trying to figure out what the hell's going on. And then he's like, oh, I'm finished. I'm done with my work. And then he dies. And you're like, oh shit, somebody died in this RPG within the first, like, 2 minutes of it. So, pretty wicked. It's going to be a pretty hardcore story. Look at the look on this girl's face. Her brother just died, okay? It's a real RPG with a really fun and wicked battle system that's very clever. I feel like I've been waiting for them to do something like this for a long time, and I personally missed this game the first time around. Shout out to Linus, that little weasel, for actually mentioning something about this game in one of his videos, and I was like, wait, I better check that out. So this is Crosscode. It is an amazing game. I definitely would recommend anybody trying this thing out. It is on the Steam store, and you can try it out with this demo, just like I'm doing right here, right now. You know, after your brother dies and everything, you get kicked out of the Matrix, and you pretty much wake up here. You can't talk, and that's kind of how the story starts. And from there they explain the digital world that you're in, the Matrix, and how some people want to live in there, and it's got a really, really good storyline, and it's really fresh. It's really different than anything else that I've seen in most classic RPGs and stuff like that. Oh, I can show you the ping pong system. This is how the range combat works, and obviously you can get different outfits that let you change some of your powers, but this is really what you're running around with. You also have a close quarters combat attack that you can apply different elements to, and that's just really starting off. The ping pong energy orbs that she throws, these things go a long freaking way as far as playability in this game. So, and I do like the overall Super NES look to it. And actually, the longer you hold the mouse button down, your precision with throwing the little golf balls goes up. Like, there's an aim involved to it, so timing is important to be able to get like an accurate shot. They've really put a lot of time and thought into this whole system. So, big fan of this game. Which one of these am I missing? Big fan of this game already, and I've just pretty much messed around with the demo a little bit. It is a large size demo. They will actually let you play through a good beginning chunk of this game, so I suggest anybody just try this out if you get bored and you got really nothing to do. Like right now I'm supposed to hit all these things, but aim until you see the... Oh, okay, I have to charge. There we go. Sorry about that. Oh, I see. I have to hit... See, here we go. I have to hit this one back here. So now I'm like playing a little game. Oh, so close. Maybe it's over here. Now it's like playing a little game of pool. Alright, what am I doing wrong here? I know... I gotta bank a shot here somehow. I've done this before. Oh! Okay. No. But you guys can see exactly why this game can be so damn fun. Where is it? There we go. Okay, see how long it took your boy just to figure that out. So this game definitely has a bunch of fun challenges. This right here is pretty much just the very beginning where they teach you how to play, but I do think it serves as a good example of the types of things you can expect from this game. Like I said, the story is really deep. Obviously your brother was murdered, so it's got all that. It's got the futuristic Matrix aspect to it, and it's got like just great, really feel-good graphics for what it is. And she can hop around, she can hop over stuff, so you can jump on top of things, and then like throw your little orbs around to have to open doors. The boss fights are pretty epic. Bam, bam, bam. There we go. See, the boss fights, the ones that I've at least already went through, they are pretty epic. It's pretty cool. Overall, I'm very happy with it. Oh. Somehow. There we go. Or did I already get this one? So like I said, I would highly suggest anyone play this game. I'm not going to go all the way through the beginning of this demo, but just to show you guys, combat, like I said, it can get really, really hectic when you have a bunch of enemies all around you, and you're switching back and forth between using your dodge ability, throwing your weapons, and then even just pulling out your shield for things that you can't exactly dodge. So it very much so becomes skill-based, and you feel really, really good and really accomplished when you beat some of these boss fights, because you just feel like a little badass. I don't know, there's no other way to describe it. Like I said, I think a lot of it just has something to do with playing with the physics of her little orb attacks, and it's just really, overall, really rewarding. So I wanted to let everybody know this is a game that I found and I'm going to be playing. So if you guys want to see some videos on this game, leave me a comment, let me know, and maybe I'll do that in the future. I do plan on getting this game very soon, in fact, because I played through the demo and was very happy with it. So Mobile Gamers Unite, just recommending a good game to try for all my peeps. You guys have an awesome day. Peace, everybody.